Hey guys, purchasing a home is an exceedingly costly endeavor, and thus it becomes imperative to ensure that you are well prepared and informed before committing to such a significant investment. The process of buying a house involves multiple expenses, such as down payments, closing costs, property taxes, and ongoing maintenance costs. Therefore, taking the necessary precautions and steps to secure your financial standing can greatly alleviate the burden and stress associated with home ownership. By adequately preparing before finalizing the purchase of a new home, you can avoid potential financial pitfalls and enjoy a smoother, more streamlined buying process. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 7 financial steps to take before buying a house. The first one is get pre-approved for a mortgage. Obtaining pre-approval for a loan is a crucial step in the home buying process, as it provides you with valuable insights into the amount of money your lender is willing to lend you. This pre-approval not only empowers you to set a realistic budget for your dream home, but also offers several advantages that can make a significant difference, especially in a competitive real estate market. First and foremost, pre-approval gives you a clear understanding of your borrowing capacity. It involves a thorough examination of your financial situation, credit history, and income details by the lender. As a result, you receive a formal letter specifying the maximum loan amount they are willing to give you. Armed with this information, you can confidently embark on your home search, focusing on properties that align with your pre-approved budget. This not only saves you time, but also ensures you don't fall in love with a house that is beyond your financial reach. Furthermore, pre-approval serves as a powerful tool during negotiations with sellers. When you make an offer on a property, presenting a pre-approval letter along with your bid demonstrates your seriousness as a buyer and provides assurance to the seller that you have the financial means to follow through on the transaction. The second one is have down payments saved. Prior to starting your house hunting journey, it is crucial to be sure that you have accumulated sufficient funds for a down payment. To save this sum of money and potentially even earn some additional income while you search for your ideal home, it is wise to place it in a secure and stable location like a high-yield savings account. Saving up for a down payment is a fundamental aspect of preparing for home ownership. The down payment is the upfront cash you pay towards the total cost of the property, and it significantly influences your mortgage terms, monthly payments, and overall financial commitment. The larger the down payment you can offer, the more favorable your mortgage terms are likely to be, including lower interest rates and reduced monthly installments. The third one is review your financial situation. Purchasing a home serves as a compelling incentive to pay close attention to your financial situation. Not only does the initial buying process entail significant expenses, but the ongoing maintenance and upkeep of the property can also prove to be financially demanding. Therefore, it is essential to ensure that your investments, accounts, and overall financial standing are in a healthy state before taking this major step in home ownership. A home is often one of the most substantial investments individuals make in their lives. As such, it is crucial to assess your financial readiness and stability before committing to such a significant purchase. Begin by evaluating your current investments, such as stocks, bonds, or retirement accounts, and make informed decisions to optimize their growth and ensure you have sufficient funds available for the home buying process. Aside from the purchase price, owning a home also entails additional costs, including property taxes, insurance, utility bills, and regular maintenance expenses. Understanding the potential monthly expenses associated with home ownership is a pivotal part of financial planning. By doing so, you can get a clear picture of how these new costs will fit into your budget and how they might impact your overall financial health. Another one is have an emergency fund. Saving for a down payment is an undoubtedly a significant milestone in the path to home ownership. The down payment is a lump sum amount that you contribute towards the purchase price of the property, typically ranging from 20% to 25% of the total cost. Accumulating this amount requires diligent saving and disciplined financial planning, as it directly affects your mortgage terms, monthly payments, and overall affordability of the home. However, amidst the excitement of saving for your dream home, it is essential to acknowledge that life is unpredictable and unforeseen emergencies can arise at any moment. Whether it's a sudden medical expense, a major car repair, or unexpected home maintenance, these unplanned financial challenges can put tremendous strain on your budget if you're unprepared. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net, providing you with the means to tackle unexpected expenses without derailing your long-term savings goals. Another one is increase your credit score. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in the loan approval process, particularly when you're considering buying a home. A strong credit score not only increases your chances of getting approved for a loan, but also opens doors to more favorable loan terms, including lower interest rates and better repayment conditions. In the 6 months leading up to your home purchase, it is crucial to engage in responsible financial behavior to boost or maintain your credit score. Timely bill payments and reducing outstanding debts are essential practices that positively impact your creditworthiness. Consistently paying your bills on time reflects your reliability as a borrower and demonstrates that you are capable of managing your financial obligations responsibly. Additionally, it is vital to avoid opening new lines of credit during this period. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report, which can slightly lower your credit score. Multiple hard inquiries within a short time frame might raise concerns among lenders about potential credit risks. Therefore, refraining from taking on new credit can help preserve your credit score and increase your chances of getting favorable loan terms. Another one is pay down your debts. Settling your debts before making a major purchase, like acquiring a house, significantly improves your financial standing and sets the stage for a smoother home buying process. By eliminating debts, you free yourself from financial burdens, allowing you to concentrate on your new home and its associated costs with greater ease and confidence. Paying off existing debts is a crucial step in achieving financial stability, especially when preparing to take on the responsibility of home ownership. Debt can place significant strain on your day-to-day finances, making it challenging to manage regular expenses and save for a down payment simultaneously. By clearing away these financial obligations, you create more room in your budget to allocate funds towards saving for your dream home, setting yourself up for a more successful home buying journey. Furthermore, reducing your debt load has a positive impact on your credit score, which plays a vital role in the home loan approval process. Credit scores reflect your creditworthiness and determine the terms and interest rates you receive on loans. Carrying less debt is one of the key factors that can boost your credit score. Another one is don't forget about the closing costs. Keep in mind that finalizing the purchase of a house entails more than just providing the down payment. You must also be prepared to cover various closing costs. These additional expenses are essential components of the home buying process and require careful budgeting to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Closing costs encompass a range of fees and charges associated with completing the real estate transaction. It is crucial to factor these expenses into your overall budget to avoid any last-minute financial surprises. While the specific closing costs can vary based on location, lender, and other factors, some common items typically included in the closing costs are agent fee, appraisal fee, valuation fee, mortgage application fee, homeowner's insurance, title insurance, and others. It's crucial to remember that closing costs can amount to a significant sum, often ranging from 5 to 10% of the total purchase price of the home. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, are you ready to buy a house? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.